Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Emily, and in this video we're going to walk through the Turtles graphic program that asks the user to pick the shapes, assign random colors, and then draw them on the screen. This program is a nice example using loops, conditionals, and user input all together. So let's start with the very top. We first start off with importing turtle and importing random. Turtle is the graphics library we'll use for the drawing, and random let us generate random numbers, in this case random colors. Okay, so let's take a look at this first line. We have for I in range 1 to 3. This means the program is going to ask the user for a shape choice 2 times. So we'll be drawing 2 shapes, one after the other. And then we have shape int input, enter shape, 0 for triangle, 1 for circle, 2 for square. And then plus the string I over 2. Here the program asks the user for input. Your type 0 for a triangle, 1 for circle, and 2 for square. We wrap the input in int, so the program treats it as a number and not a string. The next part, after the user picks a shape, we generate a random color. This happens here, and we have red for random int between 0 to 255, green, same thing, and blue. So these random values pick 0 to 255 for red, green, and blue. Together they can form an RGB color which Turtle can use. And then we set the pen size. We have the pen size here to 5 and the pen color to color. So every shape has a thick outline and a random color. Next, we're going to move the turtle to the starting position. Before drawing, the turtle needs to start at a consistent place. Pen up lifts the pen so it doesn't draw while moving. And go to moves the turtle to the coordinates 0, -50, and pen down puts the pen back down so drawing resumes. Now for the main part of the conditionals. So if shape equals 1, if the user picked 1, we draw a circle of radius 100. And then we have elif shape equals 0 for j in range 3, turtle forward 100, and turtle left 120. So if the user picks 0, we draw a triangle. It goes forward 100 pixels and then turn left 120 degrees and repeat 3 times. So we have a range of 3. And then lastly, elif shape equals 2, and then for k in range 4, turtle forward 100 and turtle left 90. So if the user picked 2, we loop 4 times to draw a square, turning 90 degrees each time. Finally, at the end of the loop, we call turtle clear. This clears the screen so the next shape starts on a blank canvas. If you remove this line, you'll see both shapes stay on the screen together. So to summarize, the program asks the user twice to pick a shape, gives each shape a random color, and draws it using turtle graphics. It's a good example of combining user input, loops, conditionals, and randomness all in one place. If you want to extend this program, you can let the user pick more shapes, allow them to see the pen size, allow them to set the pen size, or even remove clear so you can compare the 2 shapes side by side. And so if I run this, enter shape, I'll do 0, and then I'll do 2. We see that we drew a triangle and then a square. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.